So you guys did a few jobs for us. You most recently did a nice new projection job, new screen. You just installed a new front of house lighting pipe for us. And then you also did a fantastic job with our lighting infrastructure overstage, 4 new electrics, new gateways. Yeah, the job, you guys, again, were very thorough, efficient, and super communicative with us during the whole process. I think it's very easy to control the system. We essentially just go into our lighting closet. We flip on our dimmer rack, and we come on out to our house and we turn on our light board, and essentially that's it. Pretty straightforward. After you guys installed our motorized rigging, Randy came by and gave us a very thorough 2 or 3 hour training on using it, obviously using it safely, effectively, appropriately, which was fantastic. To follow that up, I've had to call Randy just on some support issues. Regarding that, he immediately answers the phone. He answers the questions that I have for him right on the phone. If he has the availability, he'll come right over to the school, which is fantastic. And you can't ask for more than that. If someone answers the phone and can give you the information, or can even come to your facility, that's, of course, the best kind of support you can get. So, yeah. Working with Generations was fantastic. Steve, your salesman, walked in with us and walked through our needs, going over what we needed, what we were thinking. He listened and then sent in a engineer team, which those guys were phenomenal. Obviously knew their stuff, came in, they did a full and thorough walkthrough with us. After that, they went into their planning phase, all the while communicating with us regarding timing, calendar dates. That was good for us and them. Set it all up, installed it, kept us in the loop about every part of the installation. Upon completion, walked us through the full installation, made sure everything was sufficient. It was great. The team was wonderful. The job is very thorough. And so, yeah, I would recommend Generations.